What is going on, you guys? As promised, we are back with another recipe video. Today we're making some homemade macro-friendly gorditas. As you can see, we got the gordita already cooked and ready. We have the chicken already grilled, chopped up and ready. But first, before we forget, we're going to show you exactly the ingredients we used. First of all, for the gordita itself, we have here the maseca gluten-free. All we did was pour this in to the serving size, added some salt, and then slowly started adding the warm water. Obviously the instructions are on here. Please follow it, make sure you do it correctly because I messed up already. But you should get a nice doughy consistency before you start doing it into your little dough balls. Smash it, get it ready for the grill. But that's the gordita part. Now for the fillings and all the toppings we're gonna use, we just have some chicken breast, just your generic chicken breast. We grilled it, chopped it up into small pieces in order for us to put it into the gordita. Also going into the gordita, we have some low sodium beans. Obviously you could opt in to boil it yourself or whatever, but come on, it's Saturday. We're being a little lazy and we're trying to be time efficient. So we took this can of low sodium beans, kind of boiled them over, and we smashed them into the refried bean style that is going to be going into our gorditas. Also, an option if it fits your macros, we have the cacique queso fresco. And for those who don't know what it is what it looks like. You take a pinch of it, add it into your gordita. And then just to save some calories, we have the light sour cream here, also going into the gordita. And before I forget, most important, can't forget it, we have our fresh ingredients chopped in our personal kitchen. We have some lettuce, some tomato, and of course we have our wok. Remember, everything here is according to your macro, so if it doesn't fit, please feel free to take something away. If you need more, feel free to add more ingredients. Make sure you're following your macronutrient breakdown. Make sure you're following your plan. Once again, if you need a plan, make sure you visit us at Alpha Aesthetics Gym or alphaestheticcompetitors.com. So we're gonna cut the clip here and then we're gonna show you what the final product looks like. What is going on, you guys? So we are back. As you guys can see, we got our plate nice and served. We got some, this is just jasmine rice, and we put the seasoning in, which gives it the color of, I guess, Mexican rice, as you would call it. As you can see, I have the 3 gorditas ready. I have 2 that have just a little bit of beans in them, some chicken, some lettuce, tomato. This one has just beans and a little bit of the cheese that I showed you guys on the last clip. And now all that's left is to add wok. According to our macros, remember, these are still calories, they're still fats. And of course, top it off with some light sour cream. So these are just ideas for you guys to continue to follow. You know, dieting doesn't need to be boring. Make sure, as long as you're hitting your macros, make it interesting, make it count. All right, here's the first bite, you guys. Beautiful dinner, beautiful day, some beautiful food. Oh yeah, just like our hometown in Mexico, baby. Macro friendly, enjoyable, still on track.